So Ulefone has announced a new 5G smartphone called the Note 18 Ultra. Now this is the successor of the Ulefone Note 17 Pro. Now unlike the Note 17 Pro, this device supports 5G connectivity, which is very nice. And regarding its release date, the phone would likely launch in May, perhaps the first or second week of May, but there is no official launch date yet. Anyway, the Note 18 Ultra has tons of cool features, including a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display with a 90Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. At the back of the phone is a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor with f1.95 aperture and a 50MP ultra wide angle lens with a 117-degree field of view and an f2.2 aperture. The front-facing camera is 32MP. I love the camera setup on this device. It's just very nice, guys. Now the phone is powered by the Dimensity 720 5G processor, and it is paired with 6GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Now the phone supports virtual RAM expansion. The phone is powered by a 5450 or 5450 mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging. Now this phone also features a blaster, which is basically known as a universal remote. You could use it to control your TV, operate your AC. It's a very cool feature, guys. And the device also features a customizable key, which is nice. It supports NFC. It ships with the Android 13 OS and is a stock version of Android, and the device is offered in beautiful colorways including titanium gray, lustrous black, and moonlit white. So these are just some of the top features and specs of the Ulefone Note 18 Ultra. As you can see, it's a very nice smartphone. It's not a rugged phone, guys, okay? It's a normal smartphone with tons of cool features, and it's gonna be available very soon. I'll let you guys know when the device is available, okay? Anyway, what are your thoughts about this new phone from Ulefone? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.